Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I am going to share with you another gorgeous bridal eye makeup tutorial. This is a pretty colorful look, so in case you are not a fan of colorful looks, then you can check out my other tutorials. But yeah, today I'm here with a gorgeous blue, purple, red and green colorful double cut crease eye makeup tutorial, and I think you can wear this look with any of your outfits. And I have hooded eyes, so along the way I will be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve a perfect double cut crease on hooded eyes. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So without further ado, let's get started. I am starting with my brows first. For that I am taking my Anastasia Lip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and I am drawing the borders on my brows first, then I will be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. I already shared with you my updated eyebrow routine. I will mention the video in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. Now I am taking my Wet n Wild Incognito concealer in the shade Medium Neutral, and I am cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever I am doing a bridal look, this step is a must for me. I am applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. You can use any eyeshadow primer or concealer that you have in your collection, and now I am just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular concealer is my absolute favorite. It works perfectly as an eyeshadow base because it's not too thick, it's not too thin. The consistency is just perfect. I am taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder, and I am just setting the concealer in place so that it does not crease. I am using these eyeshadow shields which I got from Amazon. You can use your regular sticky tapes as well. For my eyes, first I'm taking this dark blue shade from my Beauty Bay Midnight eyeshadow palette, and I am applying it as my crease color. And as you guys can see, I have hooded eyes. My natural crease is right across my eyelid, so I am placing the color a little bit higher than my natural crease. That way I am creating a new crease for myself, and this is a deeper, darker shades, and this type of shades tend to become patchy pretty easily. So what I'm doing here is I am first stamping the color, and then using back and forth motion I am blending it out. And the brush that I am using, it is from Morphe, and I am just slowly building it up because I do not want this shadow to be patchy. This is going to be my crease color, and it has to be dark and defined. Now I am taking this lighter blue shade called C, and I am blending out the edge of the previous shade so that there is a smooth gradient effect from a darker shade to a lighter shade. And I am doing the same thing here. I am taking little by little product, and I am just slowly applying it because I do not want it to be patchy. I'm quite happy with the way it's looking, and now I am just blending out everything using the same color C, and I am just slowly blending out the edges because it was looking pretty harsh and I wanted a smooth effect. I am reapplying the darker blue shade again because I felt like I lost some of the intensity during the blending process. And as I mentioned, I have hooded eyes and I'm going to cut my crease, and for that my crease has to be dark and defined. And now I'm just cutting my crease using this lip blush from Puna store, and again I have hooded eyes, so I am placing the concealer a little bit higher than usual, and I am using small strokes, and I'm first just marking the area where I want to place my cut crease. Just be patient and keep practicing. That way you will master the art of cut crease pretty easily. Now I am taking my Garnier Micellar water, and with a Q-tip I am just removing everything like the concealer, the eyeshadow underneath, because I wanted a clean canvas for the lid shades, and that's why I'm just removing the concealer. If you are using a full coverage concealer, then you can skip this step. but the Wet n Wild concealer, it is like medium-ish coverage, so I needed to remove it. I'm just reapplying the concealer, and I'm being very careful here because I do not want to cross the line that I just created. That will just ruin the entire look, so just be very careful here. And I'm lightly setting the concealer in place with the same loose powder. And now I'm taking this dark purple shade from the palette, and I am applying it on the outer V area, and as you guys can see, I am creating that double cut crease effect on the outer V area. I am leaving that negative space, and it is called a double cut crease look. As you guys can see, this particular shade is a very dark shade of purple, but it is not patchy, and I have never seen such a smooth purple ever in my life. These eyeshadow palettes, you guys, these are worth it. Now I am taking this shimmery purple shade from the palette, and I am placing it right next to the matte purple shade, and again I'm just slowly building it up. I have used my NYX glitter primer underneath. Now I am taking this shimmery red shade from my Earthy palette from Beauty Bay, and I am placing it right next to the purple shade. And again I'm just blending it out with the purple shade because I do not want a stark demarcation. This is such a gorgeous shade, and it's kind of an ox blood red shade, such a pretty one. Now I am taking this beautiful shimmery green shade from the palette. It's a neon green shade, and I'm placing it right next to the red shade, and for that I'm using this Morphe M124 brush. Now I am taking yet another gorgeous shade. This is a really stunning antique gold shade, and I am popping it right on the inner part of my eyelid, and at the same time I'm blending it out with the green shade. And I'm blending out the border of the red shade and the green shade because it was looking pretty stark, and I just wanted to blend it out. Now I am taking my e.l.f. liquid glitter in the shade 24K Gold, and I am placing it between the lid shade and the crease area, like on the negative space that I just created. And with my Essence Super Precise eyeliner, I am just drawing a wing here. Now with my Milani Stay Put eyeliner pencil in the shade After Dark, I'm just tightlining my eyes. You can use any kajal pencil that you have in your collection. And taking that darker purple shade that I applied on my outer V area, I'm just smoking out my entire lower lash line. Taking that lighter blue shade called C, I'm just smoking out the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together. Now I am taking my Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter, and I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye as well as my brow bones. And for that I'm using this lip brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm elongating the eyeliner on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm giving it a V shape. This will make my eyes look wider and bigger. Now I am curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Maybelline Sky High mascara. I am going to use falsies, and for that I am using this Kiss lashes in the style Brassier. These are such a beautiful style, you guys. Crispy and makes your eyes look bigger and wider. And here is the completed look. Honestly, when I started creating this look, I did not know what I'm going to create, but after creating this look, I was so happy with the end result. This is like my kind of look. I love colorful looks and I absolutely loved how the entire look came together. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links along with all the products will be mentioned in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out. And if you have any video requests, then feel free to comment down below as well. So yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.